Ever wondered if you can ditch those pesky bank transfers and just Cash App your friends in Canada? Let's get right into it. So the big question, is Cash App available in the land of maple syrup and politeness? The short answer, unfortunately, is no as of today. Cash App is primarily available in the United States and the United Kingdom. That means Canadian users can't currently download the app from their app stores or create accounts to send, receive, or manage money. Believe me, many Canadians have tried. Why the holdup? Well, expanding into a new country involves navigating a whole maze of regulatory approvals, financial laws, and setting up the necessary infrastructure. Cash App needs to ensure they comply with all Canadian regulations before launching. Market penetration is also a factor. Cash App needs to analyze the Canadian market, understand user needs, and develop a strategy to compete with existing payment platforms already popular in Canada. While there's no official timeline for a Canadian launch, keep an eye out for announcements from Cash App. They may be evaluating expansion plans, and Canada could be on their radar in the future. In the meantime, Canadians will have to stick with alternative payment methods like indirect transfer, which are widely used and accepted across the country. So, while the dream of Cash App in Canada remains just that for now, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for updates as soon as any official news breaks. Will keep you informed.